Before buying a replacement battery for your Galaxy S4, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1: SHENMZ Galaxy S4 Battery. Let's kick things off with the SHENMZ Galaxy S4 battery. What grabbed my attention? It's priced at just $10.99 and boasts an impressive 4200 mAh capacity. If you want your Galaxy S4 to last longer without constantly searching for a charger, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. With a grade A+ battery cell, it promises over 800 charge cycles, meaning you won't have to worry about it dying on you anytime soon. The built-in microchip prevents those frustrating issues like overcharging and overheating. Plus, it's designed to match the original OEM battery's 48-hour standby time, so you're not sacrificing performance. Now, some users have complained about the battery not holding charge as well as expected after a few months. Here's the thing though, battery performance can vary widely based on usage. If you're a heavy user, you might notice that decline quicker. But for casual use, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable battery for everyday tasks without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle extreme gaming sessions or intensive multitasking. Overall, it's great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a little extra power. Product number 2: SHENMZ Galaxy S5 Battery. Next up, we have the SHENMZ Galaxy S5 battery, priced at $12.99. It caught my eye with its whopping 5200 mAh capacity. If you want extended battery life without worrying about recharges, this could be your go-to. Why does this matter for you? This upgraded battery uses grade A cells and boasts over 1000 charge cycles. That's huge. You can experience the same 48-hour standby life as with new OEM batteries, so you won't be tethered to a charger. Plus, the microchip protection means it's built to last and keep you safe from overheating or overdischarging. The 4-star rating from 370 reviews shows it's well-liked too. However, a few users noted that it could take longer to charge compared to other batteries. Here's the thing though, a longer charge time often means a more robust battery life in the long run. If you're patient, this shouldn't be an issue. This is ideal for you if you use your phone heavily throughout the day and need a reliable battery that won't die on you. Skip this if you rarely use your phone and just need a backup. It's worth the investment for daily users. Now, if the S5 battery's longer charge time bothers you, this next option is a bit different. Product number 3: SHENMZ Upgraded Galaxy S4 Battery. Next, we have another option from SHENMZ, their upgraded Galaxy S4 battery, which is priced at $11.85. With a capacity of 4800 mAh, it's a solid pick if you're looking for an upgrade. What makes it worthwhile? This battery is also made with grade A rated cells and can handle over 1200 charge cycles. That's a lot of life. These features mean you can confidently swap it in without sacrificing quality or longevity. Its 4.1-star rating from 414 reviews backs that up too. Now, some users mentioned that the battery's performance can dip after several months, particularly with heavy use. Here's the thing, this can happen with any lithium battery. It's important to manage your usage and follow proper charging practices to maximize its lifespan. This is perfect for you if you want a strong performance without spending a fortune. Skip this if you're using power-hungry apps all day, as it may not meet your needs in that scenario. Overall, it's still a great option for everyday users. Alright, that was a great choice. But let's move to a battery that offers a unique approach for tech enthusiasts. Product number 4: ASDAWN Galaxy Watch Battery. Coming in strong, we have the ASDAWN Galaxy Watch battery priced at $15.99. This one's a bit different as it's specifically designed for the Galaxy Watch 46 Gear S4. If you've got one of those devices and need a solid replacement, this is worth checking out. Why should you consider this? The instructions provided are clear, making installation straightforward. Plus, it's built with safety features to prevent issues like overheating and short circuits, which is super important for wearables. Some reviews do mention that it can be tricky to install if you're a novice. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions carefully, you should be just fine. It's a great battery for those who are comfortable with a bit of DIY. This one's perfect for you if you want to bring your watch back to life without spending a fortune on a new one. Skip this if you're not comfortable with installing it yourself, as that could lead to frustration. It's a smart investment for watch users. Now, if the installation aspect isn't your thing, let's check out a more straightforward battery option. Product number 5, SHENMZ Galaxy S3 Battery. Finally, we have the SHENMZ Galaxy S3 battery priced at $9.99. It's a solid choice for those still using an S3. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, this one's for you. What makes this battery stand out? With a capacity of 3200 mAh, it offers a reliable performance and can withstand over 1200 charge cycles. It's compatible with various Galaxy S3 models and promises up to 48 hours of standby time, making it quite dependable. The 3.7-star rating from 217 reviews indicates that many users find value in it. However, some users reported that the battery can drain faster than expected under heavy use. Here's the thing, if you're not using demanding applications, this should work just fine. It's all about how you use your device. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and affordable battery that gets the job done. Skip this if you're a heavy user who needs something more powerful. Overall, it's an excellent value for casual users. So to wrap things up, we've looked at 5 replacement batteries. The SHENMZ Galaxy S4 battery for those needing solid longevity, the SHENMZ Galaxy S5 battery for extra power, another SHENMZ option with great performance, the ASDAWN Galaxy Watch battery for wearable enthusiasts, and finally the SHENMZ Galaxy S3 battery for budget-conscious users. Each has its strengths, but your choice really depends on your specific needs.